Somewhere between the edge of being alive and feeling dead.
All right, we're here in a random spot in the Pine Pass and doing random exploring. So I don't know what else to call it. Let's do it. TNT Adventures. Yep.
There's nothing different than a coyote or a dog as long as it's not where we're walking.
Right. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, just look from up here. Don't want to get too close to the edge there. Isn't that nice? You get it all. You can see the rock slide there. It's all cut through the rocks.
Could have walked up there before.
Or an animal trail.
Somebody's cut these trees though.
Okay.
That's nice. Hard to say. Could be broken. There's a lot of them. Anyway, no, they look.
Lots of snow up there.
Notice it.
Little wishbone tree. Huh.
Up the valley there. All above the lake.
What do we got behind us? Yeah, we're getting views.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Already. Doesn't take much. There's that wishbone tree. Making our way through a clear cut toward the power lines. Not the most pleasant terrain, but we're making it.
King of the mountain.
King of the mountain. Here's a road up here. Come on. Just such a gorgeous view here.
Huh?
Probably comes up from that side.
So I'll drive right up to here.
Probably. Let's see, this log will have to be it.
This is the log.
The log. Well, Gerald's playing Jungle Man right now.
Yeah.
Devil's Club are reaching out, trying to be friends.
Can you feel it in the air? The
And we're pushing through.
It's a matter of time. Dark skies
The tree tipped over.
The sun is coming gone.
Had his roots in the rock. Couldn't go very deep.
Chaos is coming.
And that was that.
Chaos is coming down.
All right.
It's gonna rain.
So we popped over to a more open spot. Better than pushing through Devil's Club and logs. All right, finally hit some snow. And I know it disappears a little further up. This is what I let us into. Look at this. Crazy. Devil's Club everywhere. slippery, pokey. It's like fighting porcupines reaching arms out to you. Climbing up this hill. These are out of the Devil's Club. Pretty neat. Up to the power lines. That was quite the bushwhack. Looks like on the logging road is right up to this. Yeah, multiple here. So we're thinking at this point, this is not fit for human consumption, so to speak. This is what we see looking up. We are seeing, get a closer view, but rock, cliffs, and moss. Does that sound like a good combination? Going up the steepest part of the mountain. Kind of some nice photo ops in here, but not a place to hike. Terrain is not very good. Definitely. So we are out of the tree line, but over to the right. Yeah, it's a little bit more tapered. Thick willows. When you're climbing up, that's not very appealing.
We just did an hour of that.
Yeah, well, more than an hour.
Yep.
So, I think we're done with up here. That was a bushwhack and a half, that's for sure. What have I got us into? Gerald's up to his hips over there.
I'm gonna get a picture while I'm here.
So this explains why Devil's Club is so evil. It's poking right up through a couple feet of snow. Just will not give up. Will not stop growing. How's that feel, Gerald? Go up to your knees.
It's fun. It's
And-
nothing but fun.
And stuck in the tangle to get out to a nice road like this.
Welcome to T&T Adventures Exploration Trip.
We wanted to go up that ridge, but not so good. Never a dull moment with TNT Adventures. Back in the brush because the road just kind of ended and disappeared. So we got to hike down till we hit the next one. Making our way through nasties.
What about becoming one with the Devil's Club?
Yeah, this Devil's Club is not nice. And he's getting herself a drink. Good girl. And down we go. You can see that Pine River down there quite nicely
Yeah,
from up here.
and we know there's a road at the bottom of the clearing too.
Yeah,
Remember that time. There's so many willows on those runs.
yeah,
Wasn't.
and the road. Yeah, it's too steep for the sides. I think we got to go to the car and then just right back.
Oh, then the water going in the water.
You sure? That's like a 1 minute thing, so. And we felt adventurous and we thought, why not push through to the bitter end, bushwhack, shortcut down. Because that's the way the whole day's going, so.
That wasn't bad.
Nope. We did.
Oh, Lena, she's got eyes that shine through the thick of the evening. I love her till the break of day, till the morning moon is fading. Now the Delta sun is on the rise and the mighty pines are swaying. Elena, she is by my side, for today there be no pardon.
Making our way up to the Bijoux Falls. Deal with it later. A nice view. Here at Hart Lake. This is what it looks like. Bathrooms, garbage, campsites up there. Looks like the dock's been pulled out for now. All right, we're here at some other random spot. This is a spot I thought a couple years ago was the trailhead for Murray Mountain, but it's not. It's down that way a bit. But this is some kind of snowmobiler place. We're gonna check out this road, see what's going on. Oh yeah, nice view. Follows the power lines. You can see that bottom road, how it goes that way. Yeah. Yeah. Huh. Just hanging out here in the middle of nowhere. Heading north up this road. This is the summit. First summit of the week. That's it. Nice. Running off. Oh yeah, just starting to catch him, but he took off. There he is.
stop there. You might be able to walk.
Hey, we got a bunch of elk. Got 'em. Yeah. We hear you.
Baby,
They're gone.
time to say, I think we need to walk away. I know it'll break your heart, but mine's getting torn apart. Maybe it's time to hear the voice that whispers in my ear, says go see the world outside before golden years go by. All the imagined pain, and only myself to blame. But I'm tired of living like everyone's watching all of my mistakes. No, I can't go on that way. I treasure the memories, but that's who we used to be. So maybe it's time